Hi, I'm Stacey, Content Marketing Executive at Koozai, and today's video is a quick rundown of using Answer the Public and why it's a great tool to help inspire new content ideas. So answerthepublic.com is a free tool to some extent. You get a few free searches every day, and if you want to use it more, you'll have to go pro. So if you want to keep it free, you'll need to have a little think about what topics you want to enter. The tool itself will help you to see what people have been searching for on Google, so you can explore some of the main topics and queries in order to help you devise some effective content for your audience. So it couldn't be easier to use. Once you've decided on a topic that's relevant to your business, pop it in the search bar, ensuring that your audience location is correct. This will then populate with a collection of search data. Depending on the popularity of your topic, you will see more or less information, but even on the free version, it splits the data across questions, prepositions, comparisons, and alphabeticals. So you can sift through all of this data to see which user queries you can answer on your website. This will then help with optimizing your site's content, but it will also save you time from writing content just for the sake of it. You can download the content up here or just simply take it from the browser. Thanks for listening.